Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap of trades taken up until now from Sunday to Wednesday evening. Today is 10 p.m. right now. So Wednesday, 10 p.m. So let's get started. This is the trade EUR-USD long trade on the 15th, which was Sunday market open up. And the entry was on Friday, the last Friday, right? And I closed when the market opened and it went up, and I closed it for 60 pips. Monday was very slow. Then Tuesday came, and there was news supposed to come, red news for yen index, and yen index start flying. And with that, all yen pairs went up. I posted here on the Telegram even that upcoming long setups in USD yen, pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen based on yen index. Obviously, Aussie yen and then CAD yen, franc yen, New Zealand, all yen pair went up. And that's I even made a video and posted on the Telegram for my subscriber. This was the yen index weekly chart. This is how it looks like, and I think I have it here as well. Yeah. So this was the chart, right? So that probably in this area is going to bounce. And it did. It did all the way up here and took all the yen pairs to the upside. So what really happened is that this one, pound yen, you can see 320 pip from here to there. This is the buy order here. SL is right there. See? So that's how it went up. Big time. All yen pair went up big time, right? And the other one I caught was this USD yen on the 17th. From here it went up, but my SL was here, so it got saved. And then 180 pip from USD yen. So these are the two on the 17th. And on the 18th, which is today, I got this pound Aussie from here all the way up there, 150 pip. And pound CAD also, I had this in right here. This is a late entry, but it is also it was on Friday, not Friday. I mean yesterday. Sorry, yesterday, and but I didn't have much from here to here. That's that much I had. So I said, okay, let me see if I can sit on break even and then catch the move, because it is going to the upside. So let me see if I can catch the whole the next day. All the whole amount of pippage, the daily range. So I did and came out with 150 pip on this one. So these are the 5 trades, but they're all big, right? Now, what is happening also, by the way, I'm making videos about the trade setups and posting them, right? But they are good for a few hours, means that the setup might take place in let's say might work out in 4, 5, 6 hours, 8 hours. So before the move, a few hours before the move, I make the video. So if you watch the video later, it's not good. So if to take advantage of those setups that I show in the video, you got to see the video quickly. And for that, you need to subscribe my channel. Like the video, subscribe the channel so that you can immediately get my video as soon as I upload them, so that you can see what are the setups and prepare yourself and get ready to trade those setups. Okay, so that is one thing. And then second is now you need to be prepared for US dollar index. I made the video earlier last week, Saturday, and gave it to my subscribers that this is what I'm looking at. From here somewhere is probably going to come down here, 0698, and then bounce. And as of now, this is what it is doing. So it came down all the way here, and now it's bouncing. Right now, this is a live chart. So it is bouncing, and it's going to the upside, and the game is about to start. And the game is that these 4 pairs will be going down. These 3 pairs will be going up. You saw I already took UJ. It is, even though it is based on the yen, but USD is kicking in now, getting strong, and it's going to go up. By the way, yen index, what it is doing, that it went up big time after the news. It was here. News came out, and boom, it went up, right? It's kind of like a harmonic pattern completed here. See this first pullback, 61%, second pullback, 78% drop, right? So it played out. But now notice that this is after a big down move. It is making like a left shoulder, a head, right shoulder. So this is an up move after the news. Obviously, it is retracing. Right here somewhere, it is going to make the turn. May not. So if it doesn't make the turn, I will look the other way, right? Forget about the trading. I mean, yen pairs. But If it makes the turn, if I get a reversal candle here, and then if I see that it start to go up, and then I'll be jumping and watching the 7-minute chart of this yen index, like this one, right? And if I see that, yeah, it is, oh, come on, man, get out of my way. Okay, and I see that, let's say that this thing turning to the upside, then I'll look for long in all yen pairs as well. Right, so that's one thing, and then like I said, that here US is going to the upside, US dollar gonna get strong, and you have opportunity in 7 of these pairs, all the USD pairs. 3 will go up and 4 will go down, right? So manage yourself accordingly, trade yourself accordingly, whatever the system you're using to make the entry. If you see, I'm going to be looking my setup, obviously, and my long setup, you just saw my short setup is like this, that it is going to go like this one, good setup, right? So if I take this and price goes down here and I sit on a break even, the price will go and take me out at break even, no loss. Again, the second entry, and it goes, and then it never goes and hit my SL and keep going to the downside. If this price will go up and hit, then again I get this entry, I'll make an entry again. So this is the idea, that once you decide, once you know, once you determine the direction of the pair after the news or whatever, then keep taking the trade in that direction. Don't like, short, long, long, short, short. No. If you see that it's going to the upside here, no, because this is bearish right now. So there is no need to go long. Wait for the setup and then go down, 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 down. Right? So this is how I'll be taking those long setups are like the clean setup would be like this. You see that? This was a setup. I took that one. Then get what happened. It went up, break even, took me out at no loss. Again, got in, and the price never looked back. It went up straight, right? So this is how it is. So get ready for the US dollar, index and USD pair trades, and prepare your charts and just get ready, whatever it is need to be done, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you can go to my website here and subscribe, monthly subscribe. Or if you're in need of learning the whole thing from A to Z, become master of this forex trading. And this system, not only you trade forex, but everything, anything at all that you can have in MT4 platform. Commodities, gold, oil, stock, bond, anything. Right? If you can open the chart on MT4, yes, you can trade and you can use the system and make good entries. So this is one-on-one. I teach a 10-hour course. I just finished with few people, so I have few openings now, and you can go and get it. So you get a 10-hour, 1 hour each session, right? And you will learn the things that you never thought of learning. Believe me, I've been doing this for 14 years, so I have everything. Now, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, channels, support resistance, anything. I'll teach everything. And if you know a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you can immediately pick up or see what the heck is happening very fast. Now, for example, this one, I mean, I don't know how many people can see it, but I can see clearly that this is a reversal head and shoulder pattern is cooking right now. Yeah, similarly, I see that this was a Gertley pattern played out to the downside. Similarly, several pairs right now making ending butterfly ready to make the turn. Ending butterfly is that where the move ends, right? So this is how it is, and you get to learn every single thing. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.